The Belife BVC12 Cordless Stick Vacuum offers an impressive suction power of 38 kilopascals, making it effective for deep cleaning tasks. Its brushless digital motor can reach 130,000 revolutions per minute, providing strong suction while maintaining a quiet operation. The vacuum features a large touchscreen LED display, which simplifies the operation by allowing easy adjustments and providing essential status updates. Equipped with a high-efficiency filtration system, it captures up to 99.99% of fine particles, ensuring cleaner air in your home. This vacuum's lightweight design and multiple attachments make it versatile for cleaning various surfaces, including stairs, car interiors, and curtains. With a runtime of up to 50 minutes, the Belife BVC12 is perfect for extended cleaning sessions without frequent recharging.